This is a video review for the Registered Master Electrician examination. This video is made by Registered Master Electricians of the Philippines. Subscribe for more updates and videos. Number 1. In an AC circuit, the ratio of the power in watts to the total voltamps is called the blank. A. Demand factor, B. Power factor, C. Turns ratio, D. Diversity factor. The correct answer is B. Power factor. 2. The total load on any overcurrent device located in a panel board shall not exceed blank of its rating where the normal operation the load will continue for 3 hours or more. A. 80%, B. 125%, C. 70%, D. 50%. The correct answer is A. 80%. 3. A ladder which is painted as a safety hazard mainly because the paint, blank. A. May conceal weak spots in the rails or rungs, B. Is slippery after drying, C. Causes the wood to crack more quickly, D. Peels and the sharp edges of the paint may cut the hands. The correct answer is A. May conceal weak spots in the rails or rungs. 4. The chemical used as the agent in fire extinguishers to fight electrical fires is blank. A. CO2, B. KOH, C. H2O, D. LO6. The correct answer is A. CO2. 5. A location classified as blank may be temporarily subject to dampness and wetness. A. Dry, B. Damp, C. Moist, D. Wet. The correct answer is A. Dry. 6. The average dry cell battery gives an approximate voltage of blank. A. 1.5, B. 1.2, C. 1.7, D. 2.0. The correct answer is A. 1.5. 7. The blank circuit is that portion of a wiring system beyond the final overcurrent protection. A. Lighting, B. Feeder, C. Signal, D. Branch. The correct answer is D. Branch. 8. 4 heaters, each having a resistance of 30 ohms, are connected in series across a 600-volt train circuit. The current is blank amperes. A. 5, B. 17, C. 20, D. 80. The correct answer is A. 5 amps. I equals ER 600 120ths equals 5 amps. 9. If the voltage is double the ampacity of a conductor. A. Increases, B. Decrease, C. Doubles, D. Remains the same. The correct answer is D. Remains the same. 10. If the primary of the transformer is 480 and secondary is 240 or 120 volts, The wire on the is larger. A. Tertiary, B. Secondary, C. Primary, D. Windings. The correct answer is B. Secondary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. This is a video